Welcome back to our journey through Jamaica's hidden history. In today's video, did you know there is still evidence of volcanic eruptions in Portland, Jamaica? Right now the mouth of the volcano. Wish me to have a drone right now for really show from sky view. These mysterious tunnels on the beach, who constructed them and what was their purpose? Plus the enigma of the island head great house, perched high on a mountaintop. How was the material transported there? Join me as we uncover these mysteries and much more in today's historic compilation. During the cruel colonial era, it was a strategic and well-calculated location for the wicked slave masters. It was the perfect location for them to look out over their fields and to check for any possibility of impending maroon invasions. On today's amazing journey, we venture into the hills of Portland and into the center of an extinct volcano. To get to our destination, we traveled across 7 parishes, and in the process, we had to traverse one of the most treacherous roads in Jamaica, the Junction Road. The Junction Road linking Kingston and St. Andrew with St. Mary can only be described as a narrow winding road of hairpin curves and uneven surfaces. Adding to that, the road itself clings to a rugged hillside, with evidence of landslides here and there. Then, as if that isn't treacherous enough, one side of the road clung to the hillside while the other side looks down into a ravine. The low wall that separates the perilous road conditions from the ravine has missing or broken sections, evidence of motorists running into the wall or even toppling over the sides of it. To say this section of road is in poor condition is an understatement. The combination of all the above makes for a treacherous driving experience, especially during bad weather when boulders can tumble down the hillsides. Nonetheless, the Junction Road is an important one. Passing through several communities in St. Andrew and St. Mary, the road is also one of the 2 that links between Jamaica's eastern parishes and the capital Kingston and St. Andrew. No wonder then that after years of neglect, the government has decided to widen this road, removing some of the hairpin twists and turns from the more dangerous sections of the Junction Road. According to the current plans for improvement, a section of 18.4 kilometers from Toms River, St. Andrew to Agualta Vale, St. Mary, is slated for improvement after decades of total neglect. The passing of time, stretching over many decades, have taken its toll on the Junction Road, a road that was never designed to accommodate modern living, let alone the enormous amounts of traffic that traverse this roadway. In addition, the road has remained unchanged since either the Spanish or colonial era. After all, this road is a primary road, an essential thoroughfare that is part of our A4 road network. The next town we got to was Anatta Bay. Anatta Bay is a town in the parish of St. Mary and was once an active port on the north side of the island. This town was previously named Guaiguata by the Tainos and was named so because of the abundance of the Anatta trees in the area. The Spanish settlement of the Melia, mentioned early in the 16th century Spanish Jamaica, was probably located near present-day Anatta Bay and Fort George. A nearby golf course is thought to have been built on the foundations of a former Spanish settlement. Bless her, Delta. I'm gonna find the volcano.
Straight round I get to it.
Straight round.
Yeah, man.
Alright, a truck there from the volcano got a great house go down a tunnel.
Right, you know, sit there a long time.
Yeah, man. But Me see videos with people go around there. So I ask if the truck still there.
Yeah, well, truck the rest I walk go by the bus here for another year.
Okay.
Truck me down.
Alright, respect, yeah? Bless you.
What's the other thing?
Where's the mother?
What, you see the stone them? But the whole of the stone them burn for three and a be a black stone up here. You guys, it look for real like these stones, they are all black. But are you loving the journey?
I'm half dead.
You half dead?
It's kind of fun.
Kinda? It's 100% fun for me. I'm loving it. Wayne, how you enjoy the journey?
Yeah, but my two are getting trouble.
Your two are getting trouble? Come to your two. Can I burn you? And burn it back and put it in the sun. Volcano erupt for you. Volcano erupt. We can literally see so this is a magma. Yeah guys. And it's all running downhill. That is an next proof again. Yeah. And it looks like one big volcano erupt. It seems like there was really a volcano here, or there is actually a volcano here, which this volcano was said to have erupted 12 million years ago. Alright, and it is said that they found this volcano when slavery was abolished, and the slave masters, well, basically they never have nothing to do, they never have no slave, they never have no way to make money. So they were searching for precious minerals, precious metals in the hills of Portland, up in this hill, Black Hill, and yeah, we'll get back to Black Hill in a minute. That's when they found that there was a volcano, a dormant volcano up here. And this volcano is actually dead, because after 10,000 years a volcano is dead, extinct. And this has not erupted for more than 12 million years. So basically this volcano is extinct. Black Hill was named after the rocks up here in Black Hill, because of the volcano, the magma, these rocks are black, alright, and that's because of the iron oxide inside of the rocks, and that is caused from the rapid cooling of magma when a volcano explodes and a volcano erupts. Alright, so yeah, more information to come guys with upon our journey. We'll try to find the mouth of the volcano. Them say turn out to sea, but we'll never know until we get there. We'll try to find the mouth of the volcano, try to find the great house, because we're good left across one river, and then the three tunnels. Yeah, and we have some lovely views along the way guys. So wanna follow me, more information to come guys. Volcanic rock, all about up here we have them. That's more right there. So we're on over here guys. Yeah. Where's about the road then, man?
Yeah, me I say.
Mm-hmm.
You can take a road.
Uh-huh.
Short and I want it longer, but I want to expose the main to you. You can see like.
No, I could take other one. I still them text still. No, I could take that one.
This one.
Yeah.
This, or this. This?
This, yeah.
Man, go through it.
I have to try to reference.
Come down here, sir.
Come down here, sir. No, man. Oh, you can't climb over.
Can't bend it low.
Yeah, I want to try.
Well, come here.
Nah, so then I have to go.
You know, say, I no stone them do away. Them thing, yeah, I run it run like liquid come here and farm up in Anjay, you know. Yeah, volcano, magma, you know. When the volcano erupt, everything melts, you know, the stone them, everything run like water, you know. Fire, you know. And then when it cool now, it turn like this, like stone. Yeah. Look like we are reached from the pinnacle of one hill up here, so. Yeah, so I saw the whole thing this way there at the mouth of the volcano, right? That's why them say the mouth turn out to sea. So the sea water, the sea breeze cool it. That's why the volcano you'd have to go dormant. Right now the mouth of the volcano. Wish me to have a drone right now for really show from sky view. So we reach at the volcano. I'm really surprised and I'm wondering why does the Heritage Society or the Historical Society of Jamaica, any one of them organizations who are supposed to be listing and documenting these places, why them send a volcano to that Jamaica? There wasn't a volcano or there are no dormant or any extinct volcanoes in Jamaica. We actually stand up in the mouth of our volcano right now and we have whole heap of evidence to show that this volcano had erupted. They say it erupted 12 million years ago. Although so long ago, at least this should be in our history where we should have known so well. You know, say one volcano there in Portland and it erupted such a time ago. But you know, I saw Jamaica ago. Anyway guys, yeah, we're at the volcano site. And as you see, these rocks were formed from magma, the rapid freezing of magma. So these rocks are very light, you know. They are light as in weight. Them weigh very little. Alright, so yeah, we're at the volcano. I'm going to show you guys some sights and then we're going to head on to the Great House and to the tunnels, guys. Yeah, man.
But then it's extinct.
No, you see, maybe there is magma still underneath burning. Maybe there's fire underneath. That's why they never run the tunnels through the volcano. You know? Because a volcano goes extinct after 10,000 years. That's what research says. You know?
There's some huge rocks up here though.
Really huge.
These come off the wall.
Yeah?
And these total different from this now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
True. Everything melt up and blend up together.
Yeah, and these from these all up on here. See? It's almost white. Just minimal burn.
Yeah, minimal burn for real. Or them stone of the day and then the magma just wrap up around them
Yeah.
and form rock.
Because of them, they find them.
Basalt rock. Basalt. Okay. Oh, cow poo poo.
about 8 years old and bring me come here.
Eh?
When I'm about 8 years old,
Yeah?
some white people come here so them have to run some tests.
Yeah?
And we gather up as little youth because me I tell her down there somewhere they live.
Okay.
Just come up here, yeah, and then show us here, you see a volcano out there.
Okay.
The type of tree they did active in them days there. And ready to.
Oh.
See? These are the only star of tree. Me know of one road where there are 2 color star.
2 color star up on one tree.
On one tree.
Okay, okay, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, because me here say them test the volcano like every year to make sure say it's still dormant.
Yeah, man, back in our days, we don't know about now because me and them not really buck up. Because through, you know, you have to go for job around more time.
Okay, true.
Forward, I mean, they are still. But a couple well people, me sit down same place down there and see how they see and bring them forward steady.
True. True.
Last time I bring one bridging come here and them saying why you know the researching business. He tell me when you have to come back, you know, and plan a trip to come back, you never see him forward.
Okay, 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 true. So guys, one of the trucks are blocked up too much bush. Like me could have managed the bush, but I guess won't be able to manage the bush. So we'll go around for our next truck, find the great house.
Yeah, so we've really live so far. One man they live right after, you know.
Eh?
Down to man. That's why I tell you.
Right down by level, let's say somebody live.
Right, that's what.
Eh?
They live on the volcano, yeah.
Oh, people live on the volcano. Okay. No man, I can't win the volcano up 12 million years ago, man. Volcano up years now. Millenniums. 12 million years no man, a dinosaur time them there no win. I'm trying to bad no there Jamaica. No? Jamaica formed 45 million years ago.
Only God can put them out of my home. Hey, wait, your hook. Oh, you come on.
Wrong way I come through. Nice banana farm, guys. Shout out to the farmer who do the farming. Lovely banana walk.
Alright, but you can't so much pepper away a span tree to look there.
Yes, because they're small, so they but I pick them.
Guys, so we have just arrived at the Lowlayton Great House site, and I'm gonna try to show you the remnants of this great house, whatever is left, because that one has seemed to be really broken down. One next piece there, and I may try to find, because we see it in our video the other day, and we need to find it. But anyway, let me show you this, guys. Yeah, man. Guys, so here we have one column of cut stone right here, and from the looks of this you can definitely see that this was a column, you know, no, a column that, you know, there's a next column, there's a next column right there, and if you move around
on the building.
Yeah.
At the landing road.
There's our next column right there, guys. You know, that's another column right there. So the great house was definitely here. And this great house was built in 1770. It was owned by Alexander Grant, but I'm gonna be listing on screen as to all the owners of this great house as of 1770 up to 1832. Alright guys, so yeah man. This are the great house side. One next piece down the gully down the center, bro. One next piece down the gully, no?
Yeah, man, I tell you, see how far down here? Because you look, you know, when I look down this time.
House there, at the big house, this now, hold it, the boy, where you not seeing the Rasta?
Yeah, man, them don't know, man.
Eh? Piece there over so too.
Then it will come from further out. It will come from further out.
This are the big house, because they have a water wheel to in on the well, you know.
You see, back in the time when me, I tell you,
yeah.
say, me come up here as a 6-year-old, 8-year-old,
yeah.
up on the hill me born. That's the first time me go have knowledge when me tell us when I come with the white people them up at the volcano. I am bigger walls.
I am bigger walls.
Yeah.
Here. Okay.
Yeah, and the foundation then the brighter. The foundation goes straight out to maybe half a wish part with passing in the man farm. You know?
Alright.
Yeah. And it's still gone back to the way they more.
It's a column over there, sir.
Gone down. You see?
Cut stone this is the pan too.
Cut stone will come out of a building them.
Yeah guys, so we found this one. However, this is not the one that we're searching for. So we'll go back out of the bush and try to find that one that we are searching for. And then head to the tunnels and yeah. However, I don't know if we can find a way back out of the bush. That's nice, people around here. You see me like with them places, I come around here and see people on the beach and I'm not afraid and I wonder if a gunman.
They're blocking the channel. How you know these aren't gunmen?
Eh? Can I see them?
Do they have a gun there by the car?
Big break, you can't come there, I want to go through.
So dirty doing now, I want to see that big rock up there, so.
Yeah.
A 4-wheel bike ride in.
Oh my God, there's no road at that side.
4-wheel bike ride in.
This not gonna work, man.
Huh?
This not gonna work.
I told you.
Big stone up here, sir. We can reverse one.
Look.
Let me not just drive past.
Oh God, I'm panicking.
No. Now go back out this go fast.
Take your side mostly, you know.
We are easy now, we are easy. Oh my God. Oh God.
You know, go over there.
Oh God.
Yo.
Almighty God. You just only you got to there.
Yes, I'm going here.
I've died a
Is
million times.
The camera turn upside down to blow downstairs. For my price.
I have brick. I've had
We learn jump off and we're not
Go jump off, man. Come here, feet like here, is it?
That was flipping scary.
Can't go through that time.
Because what you drove?
So, you go over the stone? No, walk through. Watch me on a tremble. I wouldn't frighten me, no?
No, but if you have me say me go look out, me should not look out all this. And that me go to look out and see the, you see we'll drop in the ditch.
Yeah. We are on our way to the tunnel now, and to get to that tunnel, we actually have to go through one tunnel where we got through already. Because we didn't know that this tunnel was here, so we have to go through that tunnel here and reach the next one. So everybody gone left me. I'm here alone. I'm showing you this, guys. No guy left me. Yo! Yeah, peeps, everybody gone left me. So the tunnel stay. And you're full of rat, but I've got night vision camera, so I can't turn on it. Night vision. I'll try the next camera, peeps. Rat shit for me. Hey, rat shit for me. Yeah, guys, we try to catch them back. They're gonna left me. You know, wait for me now. Rat bad shit from me, I look on it. Shit from beer buckle. Yeah, guys, so we're on our way to the next tunnel. I'm excited to see that one, yeah? Just open the rock button in there. Yeah. So, time now walk faster now. Seems like these were bathrooms that were built to facilitate persons who want to visit this area. Yeah, it seems like these bathrooms were being built for that purpose. So that's on way again. So we're actually walking on the train lines, guys. However, there are no lines here at the moment because they were removed by the Railway Corporation of Jamaica, the National Railway Corporation, or the National Railway Association. Yeah, they were removed, so there are no lines here. Yeah, people, so see the next tunnel here. These are the next tunnel, guys. So this was actually a train bridge because the tunnel is right here. Yeah, it look like up there, so the black, yes. A rock, man. You see them drop from, you know? At the wall there, so and drop down there, you know? See water pretty, though?
Yeah. At the wall and feeling that the change and I see every day.
Mm-hmm. Our train line we walk on, no? Come in. Yeah guys, another gully right here. And these rocks seems to have been cut by man, by human beings. It was man-made. Yeah guys, that's the way it seems. But we are on the way. I don't know what is up the road. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure what is up here, but we guide that take we further along this track, so I'm not sure. And I'm there way up so. So I don't really know where we are going, but follow me. Here guys, as you notice, there's sun in there, but the seawall is still there. I mean, a seawall was built here from back in the days from the train I run. So it seems that this was a well traversed area. I don't understand how the sun reach over there, so see like the sea wash over the sun. So you can imagine how high the sea come to bring the sun over the wall. Don't you nice one? Are the train bridge up there, sir? Are the train bridge up there, sir? Yeah, guys. This is lovely. This is nice. This is so nice. So that's the train bridge up there, guys. Yes, man. Sure. Which one? One turn up there, so yeah, we are go up there. We are go up there. The next tunnel, and yeah, but where's the rasta part of the tunnel block?
Yeah.
Like block up with stone and everything there?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so we're here's a part of the tunnel block. However, we're at sewer part of the block. Alright? You know, and that will watch me here. Seriously? Guys, you couldn't tell me some years too? Alright, so. Oh, a unicorn. Yeah. Pat some a unicorn. So Pat, being a subscriber for how many years from before dinosaur dead and getting a chance to come on a hike with Elite Jamaica, how are you feeling?
Tired, but at the same time exhilarated, because I'm discovering things about Jamaica I didn't know exist.
Okay.
You know, so it's quite nice. That tunnel look very dark though.
Yeah, because him say it block up in us, so it don't have no end. So we're now going to see no light at the end of the tunnel.
But it's an opportunity really to step back into history.
The pleasure is all
History
mine.
I didn't know about. So it's quite nice. I'm enjoying it. Hat and all.
Alright, go go find that tunnel there. Oh, find it already. I could see if we can find a way through it.
So why they block it up?
Yeah guys, so this is the third tunnel and that's at the top of the tunnel guys. And this, but as you notice there is no exit. Seems as if this one is blocked. So we are going down there to see where we are going. That one I look black up for you. And alright, that's where it going. How that? Are you make that sound there, Wayne? So how make that sound there? There, Rasta, your flashlight show bright on the camera now. But that tunnel ain't no ending, man. A whole heap of fly and mosquito in like, whoa, you know. You see them? Up here say it black. Yeah man, I want to see it black. Up there I go. I come out through it. Okay, it look like landslide. Yeah guys, so this one is actually blocked up. And it look like right at the end of the tunnel there still, no?
Yeah, man.
Because the concrete start right there, so. And normally in the tunnel they don't have no concrete, you only have rocks. So it seems as if that one here block.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to go through. Get a picture of that one from there, so. You hear them? You hear the rock back them? Yeah, Rasta, like we have to turn back. I want a pickaxe. Them out there, so them not coming up. They're afraid.
Yeah, man, stay scared of that one, yeah, man.
Yeah, he's afraid of that one.
Yeah, dog, fine.
Wayne, that one is nice, Wayne.
Think I know for sure.
So, dopey movie I'm watching. Huh?
That is it.
The amount of rat bats in here, so. You hear them? Rat bat shit we are walking. Then gone. Deep in the wilderness and miles away from any town of western St. Thomas is an abandoned structure that is fast being swallowed by the forest. This abandoned structure can be found on the Island Head estate. During the cruel colonial era, it was a strategic and well-calculated location for the wicked slave masters. It was the perfect location for them to look out over their fields and to check for any possibility of impending maroon invasions. Unknown to most people, this remote location played a major role in the abolition of slavery. To get to the Island Head estate, we had to hike almost 6 miles up into the hills of the Blue Mountains. The hike took us 2 long and tiring days before we located the site of the ruins. On the first day, we got lost, and Jay unfortunately had an asthma attack, so we had to turn back. Wait, because Jay is asthmatic, and then the hill took the toll on him. So yeah, at one point I told him that I was going to go ahead and find the structures on the way on, but you know, the tree will come. The second day, Trevor continued the search, but during our trek, Trevor took sick also, and we got lost a few times too many, before coming upon some of the most majestic views imaginable. But finding the Island Head estate was quite a different story. I began to wish I had left this one well alone. Oftentimes, with these types of adventures, there is always room for something to go terribly wrong, or I could make the discovery of a lifetime. This is Amazing Journeys. You see that's a wall right there. That's part of the construction right there. While my goal is finding and exploring our abandoned and historical places of interest and bringing our forgotten, ignored, or unknown history to the public, I take extra precautions during exploring, endeavoring always to leave everything as we find them. So while exploring these places might look appealing to most, my advice is make sure you are mentally and physically prepared for the unknown before you get started. If you enjoy these videos, I would appreciate you giving this video a thumbs up. It is most helpful in enabling me to continue to share my discoveries with you. Yeah, peeps. So to track that, peeps. We actually passed here this morning, and we look up there about the nest and now it don't look like it lead anywhere. But if I just come further over, what I say is actually a track. I go up there. You know, so that's what I do. Trevor take a 5 over there, so. So, yeah. You go we around, so. We are open gate. When at the wrong gate, we are open. Alright, gate this one. Cut them like you know they hide on track, no? So peeps, looking at the terrain on this wall that we're on, if you look at my feet, yeah, we're up on a wall, So we're gonna come up. I'm starting to wonder if we're on the top of an aqueduct, because we're surely up on the top of something, but it could be the top of the foundation. So I'll check up this because I'm supposed to up this to the building this still now. We're gonna take it from the side. I want to track the right this way. I'll take it from the side. Yep, so this is the ideal place. As I told you guys the other day, it's an 1829 plantation where they used to rear cattle and they used to do sugar cane. So we have the perfect place to raise cattle. Imagine here, show them around this. Imagine this place without the pine trees, peeps. This would be the perfect pasture for cows and goats and sheep and all of that. Alright? So, yeah, we're at a location which could be the ideal location. Look how searching. Circling point, isn't it? So if I outside, I can find it. I find nothing. Yep, so it seems like we're finally at one of the structures. As you notice, we have a wall here, a capsized wall here. We're certainly at one of the structures now. See? So, what we look for now, here's another wall. Now it's a 3D, sorry about that, please. Yeah, here are other walls here. Certainly part of a foundation now, big block up this up. Yeah, Pete, this is the wall right here. Alright, we find construction. Come in, look at it. Look, Pete. As you look there, you see that that's a wall right there. That's part of construction right there, peeps. Alright? Yeah, peeps, so we move on ourselves. See more construction, the piece of culture, I'll be very different coast. So we're actually, here's another piece of the wall right there that's perfect in a piece. Look at this. Look at this. Alright. Now we have this here. This is another piece of collapsed wall. Since this wall has collapsed side here, you have to use the wall like that. Seems we have a lot of stuff up here, peeps. We have a lot of things up here, peeps. We actually, peeps, we find Island Head Great House. We find Island Head Estate, peeps. We not say, we find it. We found it. But we find a big black out in a peeps. Start thinking about. Here we have another piece of construction. This you see here is a corner wall. And it seems like we're high up in the house because this could be a chimney wall also. You know? Corner walls. We have one more up this side. Corner No. There's a corner tie. Leave them alone. Check on the place. Peeps. Here we have more construction. Another wall right here. That's another piece of construction wall right there, peeps. Peeps, I know I'm afraid of cow. But yo, the building is right here, so the cow now will stop me from really do this today. Peeps, here we have a major piece of the construction right here, guys. Yeah, peeps, so this is another piece of the construction here. And now we have more up here. Come here. Yeah guys, this actually looks like part of an aqueduct, you know. A building right over the side. This looks like a part of an aqueduct. because it actually has the middle. Coming right up to here. Let me go up. You're afraid of the cow? Let's straight out and see if it's no more. Let's see. Let's straight out and see if it's no more. In the cow. Don't think about this one. No.
No.
Here we have another part of the construction right here. Going all the way down there. You get it?
Wow. That's what you want to see.
Peeps. Yeah man, Trevor, find the thing them. Alright peeps, so this is actually our next major part of the construction right here. Come closer to the camera, Trevor. You see good?
Yeah.
Yeah peeps, this is actually another major part of the construction right there. Let me zoom in a bit. Alright peeps. That's part of the construction. So guys, this is being documented. This is the islanded plantation and we think we've found. This is actually more peeps. More of the islanded plantation. And I really think it's part of an aqueduct. No, that is a wall. Yeah guys. So find it peeps. This house is rather large. See? All the way around there.
Something up there?
Yeah. What you call them now, yeah? Yeah peeps, so we're actually inside the house now. And plus we have more up here. So guys, being determined, being persevering, we found the structure which we were looking for. It's a piece more construction right this again peeps. So come. Now this is piece more of the construction again peeps. You know what all your people follow me?
I'm sure you're afraid of them, man. This right front of you, too.
Just look the cow here.
Right here.
That's the people.
No, this. You don't see this. Right there.
Oh. Chips. Piece more here right here, sir. Oh, look. Come here. This is not people saying that. Chips.
Oh.
Just there you go for the direction about them assistant professor again. This house was massive. Alright. See I told you guys this was a rather large house in a peeps. I'm telling you, man. Look here. More. Okay, I'm gonna heavy. And this one up here, it's not a triangular symbol, you know. A duck hands. This more right here again, please. It's all around. This seems to be a different quarter away from those down there. You know? Seems to be a quarter, different quarter. I'm telling you, them people are dangerous in the peeps. You know them people are dangerous, you know what them do? Them do them one bag of foolishness and them come way up on the hilltop come live, you know. You know look there, look around there, sir. All the way around, a mountain that you know way down in the belly of the hill we live, you know, way down them live up there. Look at it. Here's another part of the construction. This was a really large plantation, so it had a really large great house. More construction peeps. Only for house in a bush, you know. Come on. And we still can find concrete, peeps. Concrete. This was a really large house. Column, you know. Peeps. Now you can see the type of column them would use. You see that? Guys, we're actually standing on the foundation now. Same way. And the rest of the way around. So I remember we still have a next piece, so I want to look on it. Alright, this is the end of the house right there. Clean that. That's at the end of the house. Gone up, so. So we'll go back to that side. Yeah, I'm going to know what you would have said.
Yeah, matter.
I want to cemetery around here, you know. You don't feel like energy that you have to. You see that place heavy? But guys, what is really fascinating is the type of columns they have. And the house big. You know we always find large houses still. But this looked like it was really fashionable. And this tells me something too. You know what they tell me? This was actually built in 1729. The persons that purchased this place in 1829, they had actually bought it. 1829? Yeah, 1829. I think they had purchased this house along with the property because this house older than 1829. Alright, and by 1832, this place was like them abandoned the place. So this house was left to ruins. It was just left a breakdown and got to ruins. You know, but it was a really big house, and you're not gonna build a big house if it's not fashionable, if it's not a luxury type house. And just the one column there tell me a lot about this house. I'm gonna look on the next side then. I don't see nothing like no water wheel, I don't see no mill. I just want a house, I see peeps. Even though this looks like this was the house around here, and something else up on the front. Piece more wall right there so too. I just house I see peeps, I don't see, because everything is connected. I don't see nothing separate. So I can't say this was here or this was here. But what I'm gonna do peeps, I'm gonna try to get a picture or a diagram of the house, how it was back in the days. And see how well we can work with that. No? Yeah, more of this one, but now let's try this. Oh, this is the next piece. Go on this one. Oh, look over there. See if this is another wall again. Like another part of the house. Coming across and going there. So the powder will move up and down now. So this was a very large structure. Very large structure. I still not get my bearings around the building yet. I can't figure out what is what and where was what. You know? However, Trevor.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on here. Two of them didn't know.
Come on, travel, man. Two of them is yes.
So two of them the same place.
I'm afraid
now.
I come on. Them are too easy, man.
Two of them the same place now. Go on the front there.
You have to a piece of this.
You want to go up and down and do this? Go back on it? Alright, I'm afraid around this way now. Yeah, you know, the same thing with the corner. So now that's far. And we still look for more buildings. So guys, you see, it was a perfect disguise. With all of the pine tree them, we said them couldn't live up there because there was no place to build. However, them live right on the pinnacle of the hilltop. You see what I'm doing to? So guys, Jano, we found it. Go near enough out here. I don't want to run it and don't come on from John down there on a plan. Like them say, yo, them come back, you know, we are waiting them to come back. Another pound back with them. Peeps. You know them flowers there. Them flowers are over 200 years old in the Trevor. Or even more, you know why? These are the flowers that them people them used to plant at the house from them there, you know. Peeps, you know, so the same flowers them are the people them usually plant at them doorway and them balcony and thing. But because the place was abandoned, them things just overgrow the place. You know, them flowers are old. And you know, so them flowers are not dying either. Them live long. Alright? So, yeah. Peeps, even if you go as far as Jerusalem and Egypt and them places, you know. And some of the diagrams and the pictures that you see flowers like these. Are very old flowers, very old plants. You tell me, sir, some fabulous house that me having up, peeps. Look on the column there. Look on that, peeps. Turn it upright. Really fabulous house there, dear peeps. FHS. FHS. I don't know what FHS means still, no, peeps. It's the HFS. We found another pot right here. Remember, we found some of these up in Shelly Castle. So we know for sure that we're actually. So it seems that the sugar plantation was here and the house structure also. What is your find right there, sir? Flip up this. Flip up this. I want to see how that. Peeps, look at that. That looks like a sugar mill.
Like a mill, yes.
Flip it over on the pot. No, man. Let me swear right on it. Move it, move it, move it, move it. Sorry.
Come on.
Push, push. Yeah, peeps. So, guys. John Garden and Company Engineers, London. All of these things always come from London. Patent La Colombic. Alright, so, yeah, peeps.
This was good.
Piece more, Yana, bro. Move that, Mr. This look like a spindle. Peeps, you know them have a water wheel somewhere close by. That's a spindle, no? That come off a water wheel. That come off a water wheel, peeps. And this pot, I think a crate was made here for this pot for whatever it used to do. You know, everything was right here. We like in a machine part of the thing, you know, the building. So, let me search further. Yeah, peeps, so this is a rather large find. We still a find construction, peeps. Yeah, man. This is a piece of metal, you know, bro. Come on, the camera for me. Other piece of this way, nobody come on, bro. How they come there, sir? Remember, say, they come there, sir, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, the piece of wall here.
Look like the metal, is it? Something else there, I know.
Oh, more something there, man.
Something else there. You know that one, something else there. Everything left on spot because abandon the plantation, you know. Can't move. showing it. I have to show it from a different angle. In here. Yeah guys, this is what I said actually looks like. It was like a courtyard. You know? It seems to be a courtyard with all of the flowers around the front and all of that. And the house was up there, the middle, right there. Or this was part of the middle. This could be a storage area. Just a protective barrier. And you know what? Come in. Spray. Spray. So, yep, this is the Island Head Plantation Great House Mansion. Yeah, you guys tell me what you think about this expedition, especially this expedition. It was very hard. 2 days out of vlog, like today coming like 3 days in a one. But the thing is, I am satisfied, and I hope you are satisfied because we found what we were looking for. Now, this was actually here in 1829, built sometime in the 1700s. I can't say 1729 for sure, but it was built sometime in the 1700s, and this has been here from that time. And like, peeps, my love history. Like, not that I'm feeling connected, but I'm feeling, I don't know the word for describe the feeling of me I get peeps. All them things we find at the second times we find time finding pots. But the mill and all of that, like, I've never found anything like that. Alright, so yeah peeps, I'm gonna be sending people pictures, and guys, you can check out the name that is on the mill. Check out that for me, please. Put what you get in the description in the comment section below. And peeps, thank you all again for watching.